Spell text.
There are many men's problems that need solution. Computers can not only help us find the solutions but also make them globally accessible. To build a computer-based solution, we have to follow these four steps. Step 1, design the solution interface. Step 2, program the solution interface. Step 3, program how data will be exchanged with the solution. Step 4, model how data will be saved. The first two steps is what is known as front-end development. Let's break them down. To develop a solution front end, we have to 1, introduce elements into our program. These are icons, buttons, text, and other media you see and use in the solution. To build a web-based solution, we'll be using HTML. 2, design elements introduce. This includes making these elements that are introduced look beautiful, friendly, and altering their default properties. In this course, we'll be using CSS. 3, program how the elements behave when events like click, load, tap, or more occurs. Here we'll be using JavaScript. We'll be able to create an effective yet beautiful user-friendly solution.